Hey guys, welcome to the Darling Toy House. Just want to say a big hello to all of our new subscribers. We hope you're enjoying our videos, and if you're not subscribing, please click that button right now. Today we're going to do lots of different birds. Hope you like it. Owl. Vulture. Stork. Turkey. Duck. Hen. Penguin. Cockerel. Parrot. Goose. Flamingo. Lorikeet. Eagle. Swan. Toucan. Ostrich. Thanks for watching guys, we'll see you on our next video.